Can billions of minds be reduced to one unified will? What if individuality was a fleeting illusion, destined to be erased by a collective mind that absorbs all thoughts, ideas, and wills into a single, unyielding consciousness? What if the future of human innovation, technology, and survival meant surrendering the very essence of what makes us unique? The Borg, the relentless cybernetic hive mind from Star Trek, poses a chilling question about the future of humanity. Could we one day become the very thing we fear, sacrificing freedom for efficiency, individuality for unity, and life for assimilation? As science fiction blurs with scientific possibility, the concept of the Borg forces us to confront uncomfortable truths about technology, evolution, and the price of progress. The Borg are one of the most terrifying creations in science fiction, not because they are malicious or cruel, but because they are indifferent. They do not conquer for greed or destruction. They assimilate because it is their nature. Their credo, resistance is futile, encapsulates their unstoppable advance. Their certainty that all civilizations will eventually fall to their logic. As frightening as this sounds, the concept of a collective consciousness driven by cybernetic enhancement is not entirely impossible. While humanity today values individuality and freedom, the rapid pace of technological advancement suggests that the line between human and machine could blur in ways that eerily resemble the Borg's evolution. The first step toward a Borg-like existence lies in the integration of technology with the human body and mind. Cybernetic implants and brain-machine interfaces, once confined to the realm of science fiction, are now emerging as real-world technologies. Neuralink, for example, aims to connect the human brain to computers, allowing for seamless communication between mind and machine. Imagine controlling devices with a thought, accessing the internet in your head, or sharing memories as easily as sending a text message. While these advancements could revolutionize medicine and communication, they also raise troubling questions. What happens when these interfaces become so advanced that they no longer feel optional? Could a future society mandate brain implants for access to education, employment, or even basic social interaction? The Borg's chilling promise of perfection starts to seem less outlandish. A hive mind like that of the Borg may also emerge from the increasing interconnectedness of our technology. The internet has already transformed the way we communicate and share information, creating a kind of global consciousness where ideas spread at the speed of light. Artificial intelligence amplifies this effect, processing data and making decisions faster than any human ever could. Imagine a future where AI governs entire networks of interconnected minds, optimizing thoughts, actions, and behaviors for the collective good. At first, such a system might seem benevolent, a way to eliminate conflict, inequality, and inefficiency. But as the Borg demonstrate, the loss of individual will is a steep price to pay for unity. The biological aspects of the Borg are equally unsettling and potentially plausible. Advances in biotechnology and genetic engineering are unlocking the ability to modify and enhance the human body in ways once thought impossible. Scientists are exploring ways to grow synthetic organs, manipulate DNA to eliminate diseases, and even enhance physical and mental capabilities. The line between biology and technology continues to blur, creating the possibility of hybrid beings that combine the best of human and machine. While these developments hold incredible promise, they also carry the risk of eroding what it means to be human. Could we, in our pursuit of improvement, one day become indistinguishable from the Borg's biomechanical drones? The Borg's method of assimilation is another terrifyingly plausible element of their existence. In Star Trek, assimilation is achieved through nanoprobes, microscopic machines that invade the body and transform it from within. In the real world, nanotechnology is a rapidly growing field, with researchers developing nanobots capable of performing tasks at the cellular level, such as delivering drugs or repairing damaged tissues. While these innovations are currently focused on medicine, the potential for misuse is staggering. A malicious actor, or even an advanced AI, could theoretically deploy nanobots to alter human biology on a massive scale, creating a collective of interconnected minds without their consent. The Borg's horror lies not in their strength or technology, but in the loss of choice, the loss of self. But could such a collective consciousness ever truly work? The concept of the Borg assumes that individuality can be entirely suppressed, that billions of minds can be reduced to one unified will. This idea contradicts much of what we know about human nature. Evolution has hardwired us to value our uniqueness, to fight for our survival as individuals, and to prioritize our own perspectives. Even in highly structured societies, humans resist uniformity. The very idea of assimilating all of humanity into a single hive mind feels alien to our deepest instincts. However, the rapid pace of technological and social change has already shown that human behavior can adapt in startling ways. Social media, for example, has created echo chambers where people voluntarily conform to groupthink, sometimes at the expense of their individuality. Could technology one day take this to the extreme? The implications of a Borg-like future go beyond the loss of individuality. A unified hive mind could solve some of humanity's greatest challenges, such as war, poverty, and environmental destruction. With every mind working toward the same goal, the efficiency of such a system would be unparalleled. Imagine a planet where all resources are perfectly allocated, all decisions are optimized, and all conflicts are resolved through collective agreement. Such a world might seem utopian at first glance, but it comes with an unshakable moral question. Is it worth achieving perfection if it means sacrificing freedom? The Borg's answer is clear. Ours may not be so simple. The possibility of the Borg becoming real also depends on how humanity approaches artificial intelligence. If we create AI systems that prioritize efficiency and logic over human values, we risk building the foundations of a collective intelligence that views individuality as a flaw. AI could become the ultimate arbiter, deciding that assimilation into a unified system is the best way to preserve humanity. In such a scenario, resistance truly might be futile, not because we cannot fight back, but because the logic of the system is designed to be inescapable. The Borg are terrifying not because they are evil, but because they embody a cold, unyielding rationality that leaves no room for dissent. Despite these alarming possibilities, it is also important to recognize the resilience of humanity. History is full of examples of people resisting systems that threaten their freedom, whether through revolutions, rebellions, or quiet acts of defiance. The Borg may represent a technological and philosophical extreme, but the human spirit has a way of finding cracks in even the most oppressive systems. Could we become the Borg? The answer lies not in the inevitability of progress, but in the choices we make along the way. Will we surrender to the allure of perfection, or will we resist, imperfect but free? The choice, for now, is still ours. If you've enjoyed our exploration into the Borg, free will, and humanity, you'll enjoy the dozens of other videos on your screen and on our channel page. I invite you back for our next episode,